Let's start with a question. Do you have a clear understanding of your spending last month? NIFU answered, not really, you are not alone. Over 60% of individuals don't monitor their expenditures at all. In this video, I will guide you through an easy-to-follow, professional budgeting framework designed for beginners. This isn't just about saving pennies, it's about gaining clarity and control over your financial journey. Welcome to Wealth Wisdom. If you aspire to reach financial success, leave a yes in the comments. We're here to help you gain insights and build wealth. Before establishing a budget, we must identify two essential numbers: your net income, the amount you receive after taxes; your average monthly expenses. If you have a salary, just use your latest pay stubs. If you're self-employed or have variable income, calculate the average from the past 3 to 6 months. For example, March, $3,200, April, $2,800, May, $3,600. Your 3-month average income is $3,200. Next, expenses. Download the last 2 months of bank and credit card statements. Categorize each transaction, as we'll refer to these categories later. There's no single, perfect way to budget. The key is to choose a method that aligns with your lifestyle. Here are the top 3 options. A. 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% for needs, housing, food, transportation. 30% for wants, entertainment, lifestyle. 20% for savings and debt payments. This method is great for individuals with steady income and moderate expenses. B. Zero-based budget. Assign every dollar a specific job until your monthly balance equals $0. This is ideal for high earners or those with fluctuating income. C. Envelope, bucket system. Divide money into buckets or digital envelopes for each category. This works well for individuals who tend to overspend easily. Starting with the 50-30-20 rule is often advisable. It's straightforward and promotes discipline. Once you've chosen your method, let's input your figures. Here are the main categories I use with clients. Fixed expenses, same each month, rent or mortgage, utilities, internet, insurance, minimum debt payments. Variable expenses, vary each month, groceries, dining out, transportation, entertainment, clothing. Financial goals: emergency fund, retirement contributions, additional debt payments, vacation or sinking funds. Before we proceed, if this topic interests you, please consider subscribing and give us a thumbs up. Now, let's continue. We'll walk through a sample budget together. Income: $3,200 per month. Using the 50-30-20 approach. Needs: $1,600. Rent: $1,000. Utilities: $150. Groceries: $300. Transportation: $150. Wants: $960. Subscriptions: $50. Dining out: $200. Shopping: $150. Gym: $60. Buffer: $500. Savings, debt: $640. Emergency fund: $200. Roth IRA: $200. Extra credit card payment, $240. This is your initial budget. It will change over time. A static budget is ineffective unless actively managed. Here's my recommendation. Establish a weekly routine, 10 to 15 minutes. Review category spending. Check if you're on track, especially for variable costs. Reallocate funds as necessary, saved on groceries, transfer to savings. Automation tools. Set up auto pay for fixed bills. Enable auto transfers to savings on payday. Use credit card alerts to monitor discretionary spending. I also suggest a monthly reset. Ask yourself, what worked? What didn't? What should change? Most budgets fail not due to calculations, but because of mindset. Here are the 3 major pitfalls I observe. All or nothing thinking. If I slip up one week, it's over. Adjust and persevere. It's a long-term process. Underestimating irregular expenses, gifts, medical bills, or car repairs. Solution. Set up a sinking fund or yearly planner to prepare. Budgeting too restrictively. Eliminating all enjoyment can lead to burnout. You must allow yourself some flexibility, otherwise, you might rebel. Let me leave you with this thought. Budgeting is not about limiting your life. It's about guiding your money, rather than wondering where it went. The first attempt at budgeting may be challenging. That is perfectly fine. However, subsequent attempts will become clearer, more accurate, and more empowering. Utilize tools. Create routines. Discuss money openly. Your budget isn't a restrictive trap, it's a roadmap. It shows where you are and where you want to go. If you found this information helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and answer this question in the comment. What's your biggest challenge in budgeting? I'll see you in the next video.